Hi, welcome in another video in this channel. Today we're gonna explain another process in oil industry. Today we're gonna explain crude oil treatment and how can I control on this process and how can I get good quality of the crude oil with a little of the water and gas. So understanding the process separation process and the question is why do we need separation we when crude oil comes from well, it doesn't come as a pure oil. Instead it is mixture of crude oil, liquid hydrocarbon, and natural gas and water. So we need to separate this component to process and transport the crude oil efficiently. So the steps we will use it to separate this mixtures. Um, we will use a three-stage separator process CPF overview. This is overview. So to control in this process, we will use PLC and Scada system to monitor all the process and transmitters and the process variable happened in the site. So to control of all this process, we need PLC. Today I use TIA Portal version 16 to control in this process. So we use this simulation PLC, not real PLC, to simulate all the process. So and also I used PID controller when I program the when I use coding in this TIA portal in main block to control efficiently on the process and to control about valve opening. So we gonna start simulation. So this is the SCADA system overview, and this is the simulation board. We will use it to simulate transmitter as a sending signal from side to the control room. So this is I will get this is set point from this separator. I will get it. I will enter 15 par for this process, and this is high. This is high pressure separator, and I will raise the pressure. So you will see the pressure is 16.3 and the opening 4.7. When I increase when I increase the pressure, the opening will open, and when I decrease, you will see the bar, the opening of valve is closed. I will increase the pressure. Look at that. The opening is 16.1. And also I will control on level in the separator of the liquid. So I will get set point for example 40, I'm sorry, and look at the percentage of open the control valve, 88. So let's increase the level by simulation. Look, and I will increase the decrease the separation level. Look at that, 70 37.9%. I will decrease. Look at that, 25. And when I decrease the opening of the to low, and when I increase it, it will increase quickly. Open of the control valve. So this is the separation. This is the control level control of this separation. And all of the separator, this is middle pressure separator. For example, this is 10 par set point. Look at that, 20%. I will decrease the par. I will decrease. Look at the valve present open 80%, for example, and I will increase 100 opening, because it's upper set point, and one decrease it, it will increase, will decrease. And also this is level, for example, 15 50, I'm sorry. The control valve will open, and when I increase this, the control valve opening, and when I decrease it, the control valve will be closed, because this is because it's lower set point. And also this is water. I will also control on water, because the mixture of the crude, or the mixture of the liquid, it contains water and gas and crude oil. So the gas, it will go to clear or gas treatment, and the water, it will go to it will go to it will goes to water treatment. This is hot oil, because the temperature, I will simulate the temperature, because the temperature, it will increase at almost to about 40 Celsius. And here is, it will increase to, not I think not boiling point of the water, because I don't need to make water boiling to go with gas. So or to go with gas, so I need it, because the some of the bubbles of the crude oil, also it's a light component in crude oil, what's it will vapor with, if I raise temperature above uh, 90. So I should make temperature, it's almost lower, uh, lower 90. So this is so important information. hot oil input and hot oil output to this heat exchanger. And this is lower pressure separator. This is the third stage, lower pressure separator. It's almost 3 bar, maybe 5 or 6 bar. And this is opening because it's the pressure preset value or process value, it's upper than, is higher than set point, so I need to make it lower. Look at that, I will decrease it, so the opening of control valve, it will decrease. Look, so this is PID controller for this is transmitters, and this is controller to control on the opening of control of this is a process. I build this system by Tio Portal. This is Tio Portal, and this is PID controller function. I build it by PID continuous function, and this is PLC. I use it to control all about this process. This is analog input and analog output. Also, there is analog output here in this card, and this is communication between SCADA system, PC, and PLC S7300. So this is our video for today. We will meet inshallah in the next days in another video. Goodbye.